Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram Reels lag. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels lag, now to fix that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply check that you have a good internet connection. But if you don't have a good internet connection, then it might be the problem. What you can do is just simply open up your browser. Just select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for speed test. And after searching for speed test, just simply tap on this first option, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply tap on go, and after tapping on go, now it will show you how much internet speed do you have. So if you have a poor internet connection, make sure that you change it to a good internet connection, and after changing it to a good internet connection, that might fix your problem. So you simply change that and it should fix the problem. But if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply come back, and after coming back, now what you have to do is just simply check if you have any VPN turned on. It might be the case that you have turned on some VPNs and you are not able to access all the reels, or if your reels might lag. So what you have to do is just simply open up your settings and then tap on network and internet, and after tapping on network and internet, inside here you will find VPN. Just simply tap on it, and here you will find all the VPNs or apps that you have added. Now if it's turned on, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then turn it off, and after turning it off it should fix the problem. But if that did not fix the problem, then just simply head on over to your Instagram application and then tap and hold on it, and then tap on the eye icon. After doing that, just simply clear the storage and then clear the cache, and after clearing the storage and then clearing the cache, now just simply go back and log into your Instagram, and that should fix the problem. After doing all this, just simply go back and then restart your device. Just simply tap and hold on the power button and then restart your device. After restarting your device, you will completely fix the problem, and now you will not face any issues or lags on Instagram. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Instagram Reels lag. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.